Check out this great tactical sling. It's got 2 points. It could be a 2-point sling or a 1-point sling. Both ends, a little bungee on them. There's 4 different adjustable strap points. These polymer, super strong adjustable points here. This will hold any weapon you need easily. These connectors are really nice. Heavy duty, but the connectors are metal. Show you what it looks like. Let's put it on there. This is the GSG 522. It's a fun little .22 rifle. Quick single point sling right there. Move it. Front. 2-point. Very adjustable. I've seen where guys are 6'5" can make this fit them.
Buy it now at weaponhero.com.